Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the Mamba dating app. First, go to your app store and download the Mamba app. Once it is downloaded, open the app. You will see the main page. On the main page, tap on Create a Profile. You will be asked to enter your name. Type in your name. Next, enter your date of birth. After that, select the option for what you are looking for. This could be friendship, dating, or something else. Then, enter your email address. You can also choose to continue with Google or other platforms. The app will ask you to enter your phone number. You can also verify your account with Telegram. This helps you make sure you do not lose your account. After completing these steps, you will be logged in. On the main page, you will see profiles of other people. If you swipe left, you pass on the profile. If you swipe right, you add them to your matches. You can also chat with someone right away or add them to your favorites. Next, there is a search section. You can use it to find specific people or browse profiles. There is also an event section. This will be unlocked once you purchase a subscription. Using the subscription pushes your profile to more people. This increases your chances of being seen and contacted. You can check your messages by going to the Messages section. You can also edit your profile at any time to update your information or add new photos. Thanks for watching.